Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. The third puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 20th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Well, this one is not indicated, but yeah, should be at 2 stars. So 2 puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and the binary. Yeah, it's binary time. And this one will be number 7132. 7132. Before I start, always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means that in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, no, 3 O's. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O, and 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one here, so we'll do so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later for the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.